What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheetal and in today's video we are gonna recreate this makeup look. So it is a very simple and elegant makeup look and also it is very quick and easy to do. So I basically made this video for teenagers and beginners because you don't really need a lot of eyeshadow shades or a lot of eyeshadow palettes to have a good eye look. It is a very simple process. So yeah, please keep on watching. So guys, let's start with the makeup and the first thing that we are gonna do is put on some moisturizers. The moisturizer that I'm gonna use is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. All the products that I'm gonna use in this video are gonna be mentioned in the description box below. So no matter what type of skin you have, moisturization is extremely important. Hydration is extremely important, or else your makeup is gonna look very dry and cakey and flaky. So yeah, moisturization and hydration is extremely important. Put a good thick layer of it on your skin. And just like let it absorb in the skin with circular motions of your fingers. Now my skin looks extremely glowing and hydrated. This is one of my most favorite moisturizers. It makes my skin look very within kind of glow. It gives my skin that within kind of glow. So yeah, now the next step that we're gonna do is to put on some sunscreen. Do not forget to put some sunscreen on your skin, no matter you're staying at home or you're going out. Sunscreen is extremely important, or in the long run your skin get scars or hyperpigmentation if you do not put sunscreen. So yeah, and the sunscreen that I have used in right now is the Neutrogena sunscreen. Okay, so now our skin is very nicely moisturized and prepped. It is very now hydrated, so basically it is ready for makeup now. I don't really like using primer that often, so that's why I'm gonna skip to foundation directly. So the foundation that I am using is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. This is the super blendable foundation, so you can use any foundation, your favorite foundation. I'm using this one, and in this one I'm in the shade golden beige. So I'm just gonna take a pump of it, little bit foundation. If you put too much foundation, your skin is like shows it up. Your skin looks cakey and very a cast of white cast on your face. So I'll put just little bit foundation. I'm just gonna take one pump of it on my hand. That's it. And next what I'm gonna do is take my damp beauty blender and just take the foundation on it, and I'm gonna blend it on my skin. Don't drag it, just press it into the skin. Just press the foundation into the skin. You can also use your fingers or brush, anything, whatever you feel comfortable with. I use blenders usually because blenders makes the foundation, the layer of foundation look like your skin. It makes the blending process very easy, and also doesn't form a thick layer of foundation on your skin. So that's why I prefer blenders or brushes. Okay, so now our foundation is very nicely blended. Next step that we are gonna do is put on some concealer. The concealer that I am using is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it is in the shade 25 medium. So this is again an optional step. If you don't feel like you have heavy under eyes, like dark under eyes or dark circles, then you can put some concealer or color corrector. But if you don't feel like putting it and just go with this, then that is okay as well. So I'm putting the concealer, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, under my eyes. Also, do not put too much of concealer, guys. Like it is eventually gonna make your under eyes look creasy, and that doesn't look good. So I have some acne scars over here, so I'm gonna conceal them very slightly. Okay, this pimple we have to conceal. Little bit on my chin as well, because my chin is usually a little bit red than the rest of my face. So now I'm gonna again blend it with the beauty blender, and I'm not dragging it under my eyes, I'm just dabbing it. Also, don't forget to take the same beauty blender on your eyelids. So your eyelids are nicely prepared for the eyeshadow. Okay, so our base is done. Now the next thing we are gonna do is set our base, but before that we are gonna fill our eyebrows, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So for eyebrows, the pencil that I'm gonna use is this one. It is the Miss Clear eyebrow pencil, and I'm in the shade dark brown in this one. So it is my most favorite eyebrow pencil, you guys. It works just perfectly fine. Like you don't really have to invest in luxury eyebrow product, because this is just perfect. This is just fine for I use it every time, every single time I do my makeup. I use it for big functions, I use it for day to day makeup. So yeah, you can surely go for this one and you'll love it too. So I just brushed my brows, and I'm quickly gonna fill all the gaps. So first thing I'm gonna do is draw a line underneath and just fill it all the gaps nicely. Look at the difference, you guys. Filled eyebrows just make your look go from 0 to 10. So yeah, okay, let's do this eyebrow now. Okay guys, so we are done with the eyebrows now, and now we are gonna set the face. So why I didn't set the face before is that I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the setting powder, because after setting eyebrows with the setting powder, it gives very natural look to the brows. Right now it doesn't look that natural, but after setting with the setting powder, it is definitely gonna look very natural. So that's why I set it with the setting powder, and the setting powder that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I'm in the shade. What shade is this? That I'll mention it in the description box. So I'm just quickly gonna set my eyebrows, and you can clearly see the difference. This eyebrow is looking very natural, and let's set this one as well. Now we are gonna set the rest of our face. First we are gonna set our under eyes nicely. Setting the face helps in oil control and does your makeup last a bit longer than usual. So yeah, it is very important you to set your face. I usually set my complete face. So I have oily skin, so I have to set my whole face. So guys, we are done setting our face, and it looks nicely prepared now. So the next step that we are gonna do is to put on some blush. I love blush, it makes you look more youthful and live. So yeah, so the blush that I'm gonna use is this one. It is from the palette. It's the Sugar Contour de Forced palette, and I'm gonna use the blush from this palette. So I'm gonna just take a lot of blush on my brush. Just tap it off the excess and put it on your cheeks like that. I just love putting a lot of blush. Don't worry guys, we're gonna blend it. Just take it to your temples. Also don't forget to put some blush on your nose. It looks very cute. Okay guys, so we are done putting blush. My face is looking very nice and rosy now. So let's move on to eyes now. And for eyes, I'm going to use the Nicka K Poison Apple eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks. It is a very affordable eyeshadow palette. The quality is really good. The pigmentation is really good. And the shimmer shades are to die for. So yeah, you can definitely invest in this palette. So we are going to keep the eye look very simple. So what we are going to do is, I'm just going to take this matte shade, this berry matte shade on my brush, and just put it in my crease and blend it. You can clearly see the pigmentation, you guys. Now I have put the color. Now the next thing we are going to do is to blend the lines perfectly. Blending is the most important thing in makeup. If your makeup is good blended, very nicely blended, then it looks very seamless and perfect. So that's why we are going to blend all these harsh lines nicely. Okay, now the eyeshadow looks nicely blended. The next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this golden shimmer shade right over here. We're gonna take it with our finger. Look how pigmented it is, and we are just gonna tap it in the center of our eye like this. And look at it guys, it is looking extremely beautiful. So what we are gonna do is gonna take the previous brush again, and we're just gonna blend the crease to make it all everything look seamless and blended. The eyeshadow is looking very nice and blended, so I'm gonna quickly do this eye, my right eye, and we'll be back in a minute. Eyes are done. The eyeshadow is looking very nice. It is not that difficult guys, like putting eyeshadow, you don't have to put 1,000 or million other shades to make your eyes or eyeshadow look beautiful. You just want two beautiful shades and yeah, you're good to go. So the next step that I'm gonna do is to put on some kajal on the upper lid, like a liner. So I prefer a kajal instead of liquid liner, because you know smudged kajal on the upper eyelid looks beautiful according to me. So yeah, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Kajal Magic Bold, and I'm just gonna put it till the mid part of my lid. So yeah. And don't be afraid if you mess up, because we want it to look a little bit messy. So yeah. So it is looking very pretty, just like change the look in a bit. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pinpoint brush, and I'm just gonna smudge the black kajal a little bit. And yeah, and we are gonna put kajal on our lower waterline as well. So okay, so we are done with our eyes now. Their eyeshadow look is looking very pretty. So the next step we're gonna do is to put on some mascara, and the mascara that I'm gonna use is this one. It is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm gonna put nice 2 coats of it on my eyelashes. This is one of the best drugstore mascaras guys, and it is a cult favorite as well. You can clearly see the difference. I have put on mascara on this eyes, and I don't have mascara on this eyes. You can see how opened up this eye looks. So we're gonna put some on this eye as well. Okay guys, so we are done with the eyes. Now let's move on to highlighter, and the highlighter that I'm gonna use for this look is again from this palette by Sugar. It is the Sugar Contour de Force palette, and this highlighter we are gonna use. It is a very pretty subtle highlighter, so that's why I'm gonna use this one. Just tap off the excess and put it on the high points of your cheek, your nose, and a little bit on your forehead as well, on your cupid's bow, and on your chin. You can clearly see how beautiful this highlighter looks. Now I'm gonna take this kind of a brush, and I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, so eyes look more opened up, and little bit under my eyebrows. Now let's move on to lips, and for lipstick I'm gonna use this lipstick. It is the Sugar Metallic lipstick, and it is in the shade 02 Elizabeth. So yeah, it is a very nice peachy shade, and the formula is very smooth. So yeah, let's put on some lipstick. It is looking very pink on the camera, but in real life, in person, it is very peach. It's a very nice peachy shade. Okay guys, so we are done with this look, and yeah, this is how it looks. So guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, so whenever I post a video, you'll get notified. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.